Hello everyone, welcome back to Rafthelsa vlogs. Right now I am here walking along in this huge farm right here from the wine capital of Germany. So this type of grapes is a red grapes and will be turned into red wine. So let's check a look. There is a red grapes here. Over there, some red. On the other side is white. This is a white wine or white grapes in this area. So this is the grapes farmland of Germany. Look at here, guys. The trees of the grapes now are marketed, so that is why the trees are not so high. It's a marketed type. It's a modern farming system now, unlike in the past that the grapes trees are very huge and it is climbing in the houses like that, big trees. But this type of grapes tree are modern farming system. It is already marketed. That is why it is a uniform but short tree, and the upper part is the leaves. You can see the trees are very short. I think it's only 2 foot 2 rollers, and the upper part is the leaves. So this is the Vineyard of Germany. I am right here walking along the street of this wine farm. Just walking along. The grapes are still very small. Maybe next month it will grow more and become more big. Look at there. So before the end of the autumn, these grapes will be harvested. In the inner part, there are a lot of grapes already, but in this side, still very small, because I think these trees are very new. And you can see all over there on the top of the mountain is a vineyard. Everywhere here is vineyard. And look at here, this one is a newly planted, the small types, because it is marketed. Look guys, the grapes are still small. This is newly planted, this is marketed type. Look at the grapes, and you see how they planted it. So I'll show you around. That is all the grapes farm. Everywhere is grapes. So this area is producing the white and red wine and distributed throughout the entire Germany, and I think they exported also to other countries. So let's take a look again, guys, here. So this type here, look at this. Do you see? This is a small newly planted. This is a marketed type grapes. All here, look at here. Oh. It's in line, you see, one line like this, one line. So if they are going to harvest, it is easy for them to go inside there because there is a wide space where you can go inside to harvest. And here is a newly planted. Look at the grapes, very thin and small because this is newly planted. It's a marketed type. We will look for grapes. Baka nag-harvest na sila. Maybe they harvested already. That is why we cannot find grapes now. Last week they harvested some grapes in this area. That is why I cannot see anymore. Look at here. The tractor is passing by here. We can see now there is already grapes, guys. Look. So look at here, guys. There is already grapes there. Look at there. So have already grapes here. White grapes. This area is white. So we'll just take a look. Walking along. Walking. You see? Very long line. Very long lines. Baka yung mga dumadaan dito nang harvest din sa gilid-gilid. So all over in this area, guys, is a grapes farm. All over the area. Look at this. And this is the local houses here. So their livelihood is just grapes farming. Look at the line. Very long line. The people here are very hardworking. And also other side. Even in the front of their houses, they are planting grapes. So in the Philippines, we have banana. But here is all grapes. Malasing tayo dito sa kakain ng grapes. You see? Other side is all grapes also. All vine. All grapes. Uy! So there is also here, guys. You will see. Yeah, that is a grapes. Real grapes. Real grapes, guys. Look. So that is the real grapes. So, meron pa dito, also here, look. Real grapes. I think they are harvesting already because last week full grapes here. Yeah, they have already harvested already the grapes here because last week they have harvested. This is the tractor of the farmer here. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This is the area here of the farmer. You see the houses of the farmer. The farmer of this grapes. They are very rich here. They have a beautiful houses, of course, because they are producing wines. And wine is expensive. So everywhere here is a local houses of the farm of the grapes farmer. Grapes farmer. You can see the houses over there. This is the local houses of the farmer. And again here, it's another farm of the grapes. Everywhere is grapes. And look at in the mountain. Over there is all planted with grapes. Everywhere you roam around here is a grapes plantation. Grapes, grapes, grapes. Look at the local houses there. So this is the houses of the local farmer. They are living very simply, but they are rich people because they have a wine refinery, wine factory here. Look at here. So this is a huge, huge, huge farm. So look at guys, this is now the grapes here. Look, look. So this is a real grapes. And also there. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you like this vlog. This is the wine capital of Germany. I'll see you again in my next premiere. Bye bye.